today's recipe is a quick chicken fried rice recipe. We need cooked rice, chopped veggies, chicken, 1 egg, 6 grams of butter, pepper and salt. We are going to use butter. As most of us are aware, butter has a lot of nutritional value. It has vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B12 and vitamin K, and if taken in smaller quantities, it is good for health. I'll take a little bit of the butter and add the chicken to the heated butter and let it cook. Add a little bit of salt so that the chicken gets cooked faster. Since it's for kids, we'll wait for the chicken to become absolutely soft. Allow it to cook. We'll wait for the chicken to get cooked. In the meantime, we'll add a little bit more of butter to it and add our veggies to it. I've taken bell peppers and carrots. You can add other veggies like beans as well. I've used a hand chopper to chop my veggies. Mix it well and cover and let it cook. Add a little bit of salt so that the veggies also leave the water and get cooked easily in the water. Cover and allow it to cook. Toss it a bit and see if the veggies and the chicken is absolutely cooked or not. We'll wait till it gets softer. It's almost cooked now. You can add a little bit of butter and then add the eggs to the mixture. This is how I'm going to do it. Mix well. Add a little bit of butter to this. Now I'll add all the leftover butter and add in the rest of the ingredients to this mixture. This is the rice which I'm going to add to my mix. I'll add a little bit of salt and pepper. For taste, pepper is optional again. If your child is too small, do not add pepper to it. But pepper is a very good ingredient, especially in winters and at the time of season change when children are very prone to cold and cough. It develops the child's immunity and makes him or her immune to the cold. Toss it well so that everything gets mixed properly. This is how it looks. And it is super tasty. I'll add the leftover rice. This is a perfect kids recipe, but even adults can have it.
Goes. I love it. Please like my channel.